Today we are going to learn how to make thupka. To make thupka, we first need 500 grams of chicken. We need to dice the chicken into small cubes. The other ingredients that are required to make thupka are onions, chopped garlic sprouts, chopped coriander, ginger and garlic cloves, sugar, salt, carrots, noodles, cabbage, chilies and water. Take a pan, put 2 cups of water, chopped onions, ginger and garlic cloves and the minced chicken and let it simmer for 30 minutes. We need another pan, make it full of water, put noodles and let it boil for about 15 minutes, cover it and let it boil until the noodles become al dente. Now take a mixer, put onions, tomatoes, coriander chopped, ginger and garlic cloves. Along with chilies, and then make a paste. After making the paste, we will straight put it into the pan. Let the mixture be sauteed for good 2 to 3 minutes. Now we need to add oil into this mixture and let the mixture be sauteed. After 2 to 3 minutes, the mixture looks cooked. Now we are adding carrots, chopped cabbage and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it looks cooked. We are adding salt per taste, sugar, now we are adding black pepper, the mixture looks cooked now. Now we are adding the chicken stock we made earlier and then we are going to cover it and let it simmer for good 5 minutes. The main broth for thupka is now ready. All we now need to do is plate it. Now we are going to take a bowl, put boiled noodles in it, and then place it like this. Now we're going to add the main base broth we made into the noodles. Make sure it completely drenches in it, and then we are going to add finely chopped garlic sprouts for garnishing, and also we are going to add pepper. After that we are going to add chili soya sauce, which we made by chopping chilies into the soya sauce, and the thukpa is ready. Enjoy it on a lovely evening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.